in West, the relaxation technique is too rigid. When you go relax, like in the wood or walking in the garden, or just you could be in the middle of 300 people, you have to accept some of those. Your mind sometimes take you a wonderful place. You have to let it to ultimate relaxation. Just let your mind go, and sometimes take you happy place. Even you're in the middle of the social area, you can think of a nice beach or forest or something that from your childhood make you feel better. So I know I had a friend of mine that he was so stressed, and his wife sent him to meditation, and I was so excited to talk to him. And I says, "How was it?" He was so mad that his wife made him over there. He says, "I sit in the middle. These people have nothing to do, and they just." And this is that's the part of the things to think, relax, and think. He couldn't get it at all. I mean, he was so. He thought there's like a step 8 to 3 there, then you boom, then you get to that magic moment. That's not such a magic moment. You just have to practice it, and you can be anywhere that today. I mean, there's a very important to follow certain steps, but also you have to let your mind go, and as you said, being always, avoid the bad thoughts and bring the good thoughts, and eventually it takes years, it takes generational things to be to that level of mindfulness.
Yeah. And to that point of, relaxation. So there are other ways that we can bring this about, right? So we can have a focused attention meditation, which is what I just described, but you can also do open monitoring meditation. And so open monitoring meditation is like forest bathing, right? And so forest bathing they do in Japan, and it's actually been shown to lower blood pressure and increase parasympathetic tone and decrease amygdala tone. And so it's going out into your beautiful, usually a nature environment, right? Keeping your eyes open and just being completely open to everything that comes into your experience, right? So taking in everything you see, what you hear, what you can feel, what you can touch, if you can smell or taste anything, and it's being completely open to your environment. And in the same way, if you notice that your thoughts get stuck on something, right? Then you just kind of let go of that thought and allow it to rest on whatever is in your environment. And in Colorado, we live in such a beautiful place that it's a great place to do this. So going out into the forest and just sitting and just being in the forest is another way to meditate. You can also meditate using moving meditation like yoga or Tai Chi, right? And it's just focusing your breath with your movement. So you are in mountain pose, you raise your arms, you breathe in, you exhale, you fold, so linking your breath with your movement and keeping your awareness on this present moment.